In a single, devastating strike, the billion-dollar American military asset has been reduced to ashes.
The Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, or IRGC, has successfully targeted the Udeid Air Base in Qatar, long recognized as the central hub of American military might in the Middle East. The primary casualty of this unprecedented assault is a state-of-the-art FPS-132 Block 5 upgraded early warning radar. Installed in 2013 with a staggering price tag of $1.1 billion, this highly advanced system was the foundational pillar of the U.S. air and missile defense network in the region. Acting as an ever-watchful sentinel, the destroyed radar boasted a formidable detection range of 5,000 kilometers, capable of identifying hostile movements and missile launches long before they reach their targets. By obliterating this critical infrastructure, Iran has effectively blinded the United States and its regional allies. From their command centers at Udeid, American forces and their coalition partners once maintained a tight surveillance grid over the Persian Gulf. Now, with that grid shattered, the U.S. military faces a severe tactical disadvantage. The ability to promptly detect and intercept incoming Iranian missiles has been severely compromised, leaving American troops in a highly vulnerable position. Because the destroyed radar was permanent, fixed infrastructure rather than a mobile unit, replacing it will demand significant time, money, and logistical effort. During this operational blind spot, U.S. forces will struggle to mount rapid counteroffensives. This attack signals a dangerous new phase in Middle Eastern geopolitics. In direct response to coordinated pressures and aggressive postures from the United States and Israel, the forces under Ayatollah Ali Khamenei have made their ultimate objective clear: the complete eradication of the American military footprint in the region. What was once confined to psychological warfare and diplomatic threats has now ignited into the smell of real gunpowder. The fallout from this strategic strike extends far beyond the borders of Qatar. It has exposed glaring vulnerabilities in America's regional defense architecture, drastically elevating the threat level for all U.S. military installations across the Middle East. Neighboring allied nations, particularly Bahrain, which hosts the vital United States Navy Fifth Fleet, now find themselves in a precarious security environment. Military analysts point out that this attack reveals a highly calculated shift in Iranian combat strategy. By potentially utilizing smaller, precise, and limited-power drones or missiles to neutralize massive, high-value infrastructure, Tehran is proving its ability to bypass conventional defense shields. This is no longer just a test of strength. It is a clear indicator that Iran is laying the groundwork for a prolonged, highly strategic regional conflict.